Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Ultra's Crypto channel. In this exciting video, we'll be diving deep into Gurufin. Gurufin just flipped the script and their public testnet is live right now. If you want free NFTs, a share of the 20 million GXN tokens, just watch the full video. But before we start, I'm not a financial advisor and this video is purely for education and entertainment. So enjoy.
The world is changing. Different nations, different currencies, different traditions, but one shared future. What if blockchain didn't force everyone into the same ecosystem, but instead created harmony by respecting each other's sovereignty? The Gurufin Chain isn't just another layer 1. It's a movement toward multipolar economic harmony, and the door is open. Here's what makes Gurufin different. They are not trying to replace anyone's monetary system. They are building bridges between them. Think of it as economic diplomacy on chain. Local layers like KRGX for Korean won, USGX for US dollar honor the sovereignty and tradition of each nation economy. The Gurufin chains serve as the neutral ground where they all connect and interact. Completely locally exchanged globally. This isn't about tech domination culture, it's about tech respecting culture. Different traditions, different systems, one interconnected future where everyone has access. Each world moving toward multipolarity. Gurufin is building the infrastructure that honors global diversity instead of erasing it. Right now, Gurufin is inviting people to be part of this movement from day one through their public testnet. And they have created something special for every believer. The Genesis Contributor Card NFT collection. This isn't just another NFT flip, this is proof for someone who was here at the beginning. An architect of the multipolar future. There is 3 tiers are available. The blue tier, the silver tiers, and also the gold one. So for the blue tiers, its allocation about 15k supply. For the silver tier, it's just 5k supply. And for the gold one, is about 2,500 supply. And here is the thing, they are completely free to claim. The testnet runs from November 24th to January 23. During this time, participants help stress test the network, provide feedback, and shape the infrastructure before mainnet launch. To get started, download the Guru wallet is available on iOS, Android, and connect to the event page and claim a Genesis Contributor Card. This badge of honor proves early involvement in building global economic harmony. Plus, testnet participants are eligible for the 20 million GXN Genesis Contributor Airdrop pool, allocated based on factors like active participants and the quality of feedbacks as determined by the Gurufin Foundation. Let me walk you through the Guru wallet experience. After downloading from the App Store or Google Play, you will create your account with email and phone verification. Then secure it with a PIN and biometric authentication like Face ID. One of the core features is the daily check-in. Here's what makes this special. Each check-in is an actual on-chain transaction. You are not just clicking a button, you are actively stress testing the Gurufin network with real transactions. And there's an exciting giveaway event tied to this, which I will show you in a moment. This is the event shop where everything comes together. Let me break it down what's available. Public testnet quests. There are the core activities that validate different network functionalities. Complete quests, earn points, and contribute to testing the infrastructure. Share your wallet event with a total of 1,500 USDC. Take a screenshot of your Guru wallet, post it on X, tag Gurufin HQ, and submit via the Google form. One winner receives 215 USDC every week. Daily check-in event total 3,000 USDC. This is where it gets interesting. By doing your daily check-in on the app, you are automatically entered into a daily raffle for $15 USD. The drawing happens transparently via smart contract at 4 AM UTC. And here's is the game changer. The more consecutive days you check in your streak, the higher your chance of winning constantly is rewarded. Make sure you read the detailed rules of each event right here in the app. And don't forget to claim your Genesis Contributor Card NFT. It's completely free, and this is your proof of being here at the beginning. This isn't just a collectible, it's a badge of honor showing you helped build the multipolar future. They even build in a fun mining minigame, kill some time, earn points, and contribute to the testnet, all while having a bit of fun. Now let's look on the full testnet quest dashboard at testnet.gurufin.com. This is where you can see all available quests designed to test different aspects of the Gurufin chain. First, the daily check-ins, on-chain transaction testing, network stability. We have also the referral program for the growing of the community, the mini game participation, social engagement for spreading awareness about multipolar economic harmony, and don't forget the NFT claims Genesis Contributor Cards. Every quest you complete earn points. These points determine your share of the 20 million GXN Genesis Contributor Airdrop pool, calculated based on factors like active participants and the quality of feedback you provide. You can claim 1 GXN test token from the faucet every 24 hours to cover gas fees for all your testnet transactions. One important note: reward distribution is at Gurufin's sole discretion based on the quality and legitimacy of participation. These giveaway events aren't the main attraction. They are bonuses to celebrate the community. The real prize is being part of something bigger, building the infrastructure for global economy harmony. So what's actually being built here? Gurufin uses a hub and spoke architecture designed for global interoperability while respecting local sovereignty. The spokes GX stablecoins chains serves as jurisdictional layer 1s, each optimized for local compliance, acting as on-off ramps between traditional banking and the digital economy. They honor each nation's regulatory framework. The hub, the Gurufin Chain, is the neutral settlement layer connecting them all. Jurisdiction agnostic, built for cross-border payments, FX markets, and DeFi without favoring any single currency. Why this matters? Traditional cross-border payments rely on correspondent banking, slow experience, and full of settlement risk. Transactions take T+2 days, tying up trillions in capital. Gurufin enables atomic settlement T+0 using payment versus payment PvP mechanism via IBC, inter-blockchain communication. Both sides settle simultaneously or not at all. Zero principal risks, instant finality. And here's when innovation meets practicality. Gurupay. Most blockchains have unpredictable gas fees. Gurufin's Gurupay mechanism dynamically adjusts the GXN amount required for gas based on a fixed USD reference, around $0.013 per transaction. If GNX's market price fluctuates, the fiat cost stays stable. Institutions need predictable costs. Gurufin delivers. The infrastructure is battle-tested. Stress tests with 105 validator nodes across 5 global regions achieved 395 TPS with subsequent finality 0.8 seconds. Highly efficient resource usage. Sherlock security audit completed. This isn't vaporware, this is production-ready infrastructure for a multipolar world. The native token GXN powers the natural settlement layer. Gas token transactions fees stabilized by Gurupay, staking assets network security via proof of stake, governance token, community-driven evolution, and settlement currency protocol operations. Total supply of 100 billion GXN at Genesis. A portion of protocol fees burns permanently via the Gurufin Abyss Ledger GAL, creating long-term deflationary pressure. The 20 million GXN testnet allocation rewards early contributors who help build and refine this global infrastructure. Here's your step-by-step to become a Genesis contributor. Step 1. Download Guru Wallet from Google Play or App Store. Create your account with email and phone verification. Set up your security with PIN and biometric authentication and secure your recovery phase. Navigate to the event page in the app or visit testnet.gurufin.com. You'll find the link in the description below. Claim your free Genesis Contributor NFT card. Start your daily check-ins to street test the network and enter the giveaway. Complete quests, play the minigame and provide valuable feedback. Join Discord and follow Gurufin HQ on X for updates and community engagement. The testnet runs until 2026. Every day of participation strengthens the network and earns recognition. The world is moving toward multipolarity. Different nations will maintain their monetary sovereignty. Different cultures will preserve their traditions. The question isn't whether this future arrives, it who build the bridges. Gurufin Chain is creating infrastructure that doesn't erase differences but harmonizes them. A neutral settlement layer where Korean won, USD dollars, Japanese yen, and every other sovereign currency can interact seamlessly. This isn't just another blockchain launch, it's an innovation to be part of economic diplomacy to honor global diversity, to build the interconnected future where everyone is welcome. The Genesis Contributor Cards are free to claim. The testnet is live, the movement has begun. Different traditions and cultures. It should create harmony by respecting each other. Our links are in the description. Download Guru Wallet, claim your Genesis Contributor Card, be part of the movement, completely locally, exchange globally, build harmony with Gurufin. See everyone on chain.